How to fix Forza Horizon 6 stuttering on PC, 2026. If you're experiencing stuttering, lag spikes, or inconsistent FPS in Forza Horizon 6, here's a simple fix that works for many players. First, open your web browser and download the latest graphics software for your GPU. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, download the NVIDIA app. If you're using an AMD graphics card, download the latest AMD software from AMD's official website. Once installed, open the graphics software and go to the drivers section. Check if a new graphics driver is available. If an update is available, install it. If your driver is already up to date, choose the reinstall or clean install option to reinstall the latest driver. After the installation is complete, restart your PC and launch Forza Horizon 6 to see if the stuttering issue has been resolved. If the problem still persists, try disabling VSync in the game's graphics settings and unlock the FPS limit. These changes can help reduce input lag and improve frame pacing, resulting in smoother gameplay.